Hello again, YouTube viewers. Today we're here to find out if the Canon Rebel T3i is still a good camera more than 10 years after its release. So stick around and I'll let you know what I think and why. The Canon Rebel T3i released in March of 2011, more than 10 years ago now. Is this still a good camera? Well, I'll tell you what, for on eBay you can pick these things up with the lens for under $300, and I think that is an incredible value, and I'm going to tell you why. First of all, one of the things that I like about this camera, it has the articulating screen, which is fantastic. So if you are a vlogger, this is great. You can see what you're doing, hold that out there like so. That's just one bonus of this camera. Of course, being a Canon Rebel, it has interchangeable lenses, and the beauty of the Canon cameras is they will take the older lenses. There's two markings on here. You've got the little red dot or the little white dot. This is the kit lens that came with it. It's the white square. You line it up there and click it in here. But one of the beauties of these is you can use older lenses that you can pick up for a song. This is a Canon SLR film camera, and you can pick these up for like 30 bucks with lenses on them. And they use the other dot, the red one, and they fit and work perfectly on these Rebel Canons. So you can get all kinds of lenses for $20 to $50 for this camera. So that's a big selling point. Now, one of my other favorite selling points of this camera is you can plug in an external microphone into this, which is a really, really great thing to have, because all of these consumer level DSLRs don't have very good microphones in them. But this does 1080p video. It does it at let's see, 24, 25, and 30 frames per second in 1080p. And if you want to do your slow motion, you'll have to go down to 720p, in which case it does 50 and 60 frames per second. But for most people getting started in photography and videos, that's plenty, you know. Great little vlogging camera, and again, like I said, the price point is you could pick one of these up for around 300 bucks on eBay with a lens, or even less if you already have some lenses. I would go as far as to say that this is probably one of the best values on the market. The photographs that it takes, the videos that it takes are great. It's a Canon. The color science by Canon is well known to be very good. It's got excellent autofocus. Canon does a great job on their autofocus. One of the things you can do if you want to add really good audio, if you happen to have one of these Zoom H1Ns. This is a standalone audio recorder that produces studio quality recordings, but they also have an output jack, so you can take your output jack and plug it into the jack on the side here for the microphone, and then you got the advantage of the Zoom preamps, which are very, very good. So then you've got high quality video on a budget. You've got excellent audio for about $100, maybe even less if you can find one used. I think this is probably one of the better entry-level cameras out there. I really do. I don't know what more to say about this, except that I think that this is probably going to be one of my favorite go-to cameras, and you're not going to break the bank getting into it. So I hope that's helpful to you guys. Just a short little video. I just want to let you know, everybody know how impressed I really was with this camera. And if you have a chance, you're thinking about stepping up from doing cell phone videos, jump on this. Click on some of our videos here and here for some other tutorials and reviews, and we'll see you back next time. Don't forget to subscribe.